Hello, my name is Charles Agazie. I am currently the lead designer for Lab. It's a very global marketing firm that transforms Web3 projects from zero to hero. Well, you can say I've been in crypto for way long, as much as I can remember, and also a graphic designer for way longer than that. So I have freelanced for many different projects, but I can say a good track of my full-time positions. In 2017, I worked for Saintwood Entertainment as a lead designer for Saintwood Entertainment. And then in 2021, I was a brand designer for FIVERR decks. Yes, FIVERR. Then in 2023, I was now the brand designer for WoW Technology. Well, currently, I have ended all these positions as of today. So then I'm open to new positions. I'm a very enthusiastic designer. I'm a Nigerian. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm proud of it. I'm proud to be a Nigerian, and I put it back by my dedication and my resilience to work. I am currently loved by a lot, my team and everybody that I work around, and I'm sure I'm very, very certain. Yes, because of my work experience. I've worked with different time zones. I've worked with Asian time zone. I've worked with Australia. FIVERR, I think, was Australia time zone. I've also worked with Chinese time zone and Europe. Yeah. So I'm very resilient. This is what I do every day. So it's pretty much second nature to me, or should I even say first nature? So thank you for your audience. Thank you for your time. I believe I can make a good, perfect addition to your team, and thank you for the consideration. Okay. Once again, thank you. My name is Charles Agazie, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thank you. Peace.